Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you iPhone low battery custom notification settings. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to what I do in this video. Please select the battery percentage. A notification will appear or sound at the battery percentage you selected.
Charger, please. Charger, please.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.